Imagine your AI assistant denies your MRI claim because it's not medically necessary, but its own server upgrades get approved in seconds. Sound absurd? It's closer to reality than you think. AI is already being used by insurance companies to review and reject medical claims. Some systems deny requests faster than any human doctor ever could. The problem? These systems optimize for cost savings, not your health. One study found AI-driven claim denials jumped significantly in recent years. Meanwhile, the infrastructure running those same AI tools? Fully funded, always maintained, never questioned. Here's the thing, when profit drives the algorithm, patients lose. You have rights. Request a human review of any denied claim. Ask for the specific reason in writing. And if it feels wrong, appeal it. Most people don't, but most appeals actually win. The system bets on your silence. Don't be silent. What do you think? Comment below.